Hey guys, welcome back to Meepers Jeepers. Just got a real quick one for you today. I went to Harbor Freight and, they had I haven't been able to find these. It seems that some Harbor Freights have some of the icon tools and not others, and vice versa. And it seems you have to run around a bit to find them or order them offline. So what I got today for 20 bucks is the small pick set. What I have been using is these Aries ones, which they're not terrible. They're nice. The handles are, I feel, are a lot better on the icons rather than, they just seem to fit in your your index and your thumb. I mean, these are round, they're okay, I guess, but I'm not knocking Aries. Aries is, I mean, they work. I mean, all you're doing is, picking rubber seals out and O-rings and stuff like that. So you got the 90 in the icon, the hook, and I have both of these in the Aries and the icon. The only one I don't really have in the icon is, I don't know what the snuzz you'd call that, but it is, I don't know if you guys can see that. The camera's not really wanting to focus, but it's I don't know if it's for like kind of reaching in at something. I don't know what scenario you would need something like that, but I mean it must be because it's in the kit. So, and then just your straight awl or punch or whatever you want to call it. So, for 20 bucks, $20 for any tool these days is a pretty decent deal. Comes in a nice plastic case. I don't know. Ever since, Bob's been kind of a fanboy of Snap-on, I've had all Craftsman and Gear Wrench and up to this point, really. And, these videos out about Icon versus Snap-on, and Bob being the Snap-on boy that he is, we joke around about it all the time. I've just been buying some Icon stuff. Normally that's not, anything I wouldn't have bought them in the past, but now that I am, I'm kind of glad that this little versus battle has came up, because Icon makes some pretty nice tools. So anyway, guys, like I said, it was just a short little video, and I just wanted to show you the Icon pick set. It's nice. So a great gift for Christmas. And none of my videos are sponsored, guys. I don't get paid for any of this, other than some of the links that I put in the description for Amazon. Of course, you can't get these on Amazon. So like all the reviews I give you is just what I think and my experience with the tools that I have. So appreciate you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Come back for a next video. Thanks.